Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking few cards, guys, and I also have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. Cancers. So if you have any doubts or confusions, you can watch that reading, guys. That may give you clarity. So let's start with the general energy. Cancers. So we have Five of Pentacles, Emperor, and Six of Swords in reverse. So, Cancers, in your situation, it may be in your career or in your relationship, you are someone who has ideals and beliefs, and you have a particular way of dealing your situation, guys, and you have confidence, and whatever you do it based on your ideals and your knowledge and experience. So maybe for some of you, people come to you for suggestions or ideas what they need to do, so you are a person of great knowledge. And today, maybe in this relationship, you have you feel really lost or stressed. You love this person, you care for them, but there is something missing in this love, in this connection, guys. Maybe you feel quite lonely, or you feel neglected in some ways, or this may be because this person is suffering. Maybe they have some illness, or you have some illness, and you feel lost or stressed because of that. Or for some of you, you may be having troubles in your work situation, guys. Maybe some projects may get delayed or suspended, so some kind of troubles because of that. And maybe for some of you guys, if you are single, or if you are separate after a breakup and you are ready for a new relationship, there is someone interesting coming towards you. They are going to propose to you, guys. Maybe. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers, for your general energy, guys. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. So we have the Star. So with this card, in your situation, guys, in your relationship, you have great hopes and faith for your future, and you feel inspired, confident, and maybe you want to have that deep, meaningful, authentic, honest relationship with this person, and you are working towards that. So maybe for some of you, you are having that open heart to heart communication with this person you love, or you want them to have that open heart communication with you, and uh, make them understand you, what you are, maybe your past, your present, whatever secrets, your likes, dislikes, whatever it is. So you want to be really close to this person, and you feel really inspired with them, and you have high hopes and faith for this love, for this connection, guys. So maybe if you are in a new relationship, you are working towards that, guys. Or if you are already in a connection, you are a very honest and authentic person. That is what I see with this card, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is King of Swords. So, no matter what your situation is, guys, Cancers, you are someone who is a pillar of strength. You have that determination and confidence. So, in your career, whatever your situation demands, you are putting lot of efforts, and that may be the reason you are successful. Or if you are having troubles in your life today, success is not far off, guys, because you are someone who is confident and you're working with faith and that determination. So that is the reading for you all, guys, Cancers. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards, and whatever your situation is, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this aside. So let's see what it is. We have Passatine Garnet. So this is the card for you all, guys, and this is your crystal for those who have chosen this card. So this card just means that you are unique in your own way, and you are really working hard, trying really hard to make people like you. But you need to stop that, because your soulmate, the person who is amazing, glorious, and who is the perfect match, is waiting for you to come towards you. So you need to understand that whatever you are trying to hide, or whatever you are trying to change for to make people like you, or for yourself to have that understanding, you need to give up that fear or whatever apprehensions you have, and feel comfortable in your own skin. So whatever you are, you should not be ashamed to show that, and you should be truthful to your heart. You should show your authentic self. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you're charming, charismatic, and sparkling, and you are a brilliant person in your own unique way, just like everyone else is. So you need to shine brightly whatever you are, instead of trying to hide or change yourself, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you are authentic to yourself, you will find that authentic love today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who have chosen the second card. And this is your card, guys, the second card. And it is the Juniper Tree, Deception. So with this card, the energy is that for you all is that it just means that you have been carrying a great burden till now. Maybe it is someone else's responsibility, not yours, and you are carrying so much sadness within you because of that. And you must let go of that sense of feeling that everything is your fault, and you have a good heart. That is the reason you are thinking that it is your fault that certain things are happening in your life today, guys. But you should not lose hope, and you need to keep doing what you need to do today. And soon, very soon, the person you loved, that person will come back to you. Maybe for some of you, I see maybe you, if you are in a breakup, if you are in a separation, this person is going to come back to you. is going to build that understanding. Maybe there is a third party involved. That may be the reason that you feel that sadness today. But you need to do the right thing, and whatever happiness or whatever love you lost is coming back to you. And you should not act out of your anger or resentments today, guys. You have to have compassion in your heart. And when you are compassionate, your situation is going to change. And maybe for some of you, you have taken up false blame, or someone has blamed you for something which is not your mistake, and you are accepting it because you are a person of a very good heart. But you need to understand that it is not your responsibility and it is not your burden. So you need to let go of that, but have that compassion in your heart, and don't act based on your impulses. When you do that, you're going to find the person you love coming back to you, understanding your situation and understanding the whole scenario, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and you're getting second chances at life, at love. So whatever you missed, that is going to come back to you, guys. That is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.